Hello and welcome to The Seeking Soul. In today's vlog, we are going to visit an unexplored spot in Turtuk, a small and beautiful waterfall located above the village that's hidden behind a mountain. We are Sudhanshu, Ankita and our dog Star, a family of 3 settled in the city life, who decided to move to the mountains for next few years to work as volunteers in the remote villages of Himalayas. We are currently living in Turtuk, a quaint little village located at the Indo-Pak border in the Baltistan region of Ladakh. Well, there are lots of places to see for a regular tourist here, including the local Balti Museum, the 600-year-old mosque, and the Pakistan border. There are some offbeat locations too, which are only known to locals and hardly frequented by tourists.
हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम जा रहे हैं वाटरफॉल. इट इज़ वन ऑफ दोज प्लेसेस जिसमें काफ़ी हाइक लगता है, तो हमने ये लास्ट के लिए छोड़ दिया था. तो टुडे इज़ दैट डे, सो वी गोना हाइक अप. आई एम ऑलरेडी ब्रेथलेस एज यू कैन सी, बट इट्स अराउंड 2 hours का ट्रैक फ्रॉम हियर. सो लेट्स गो. सो दैट इज़ द रूट दैट वी हैव टू टेक एंड इट लुक्स प्रीटी स्टीप फ्रॉम हियर. लेट्स सी. The journey begins with a steep climb against one face of the mountain. There was an absolute solitude all around, the serene peace getting interrupted only by an occasional chirp of a bird or rustling of leaves in the wind. After about half an hour of climb, we reached this beautiful spot which is ideal to take a break. You can literally just sit here for hours looking at the stunning views in the distance.
This checkpoint also has a small hut, which has all the stuff required for cooking, making it a perfect place to chill for the villagers who come here and often stay overnight.
Right next to it is a mosque, which is under construction, where we said a small prayer and moved ahead.
And it was this second leg of the trek which took the thrill and excitement to the next level. The trail was literally just 1 feet wide at some points, overlooking deep gorges. A single slip here meant a fall of hundreds of feet and a sure shot death.
All the excitement culminated into a feeling of elation as the mountains unfolded to reveal the hidden waterfall.
We spent a couple of hours here, cooked and had some food, and then it was time to go back.